How to upload tickets on Seatgeek. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for seatgeek.com. It will land you on the official page of Seatgeek. Click on Login at the top right corner. Enter your login credential and then sign in to your specific account. All you want to do is enter your email address and the code that you will be receiving. Once you have entered, you will be logged into your specific account. Once you are in here, click on Sell at the top right. And then head over to Tickets. Now over here, right beside the filter, the option of Add Tickets will be visible to you. Click on it. This interface will pop up on your screen. Over here it says Upload Tickets. Just click on it and you'll have to upload the specific ticket that you have. And then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can upload tickets on Seatgeek. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.